notebooklm plus chatgpt SEO is insane. I ranked a video in hours, full script, titles, descriptions, thumbnails, everything. No manual research, no guessing. This is the fastest SEO workflow you'll ever see, and I'm showing you exactly how to copy it right now. I just created ranked content in under an hour. Full YouTube video, optimized for SEO, script written, metadata done, thumbnails ready, all using notebooklm and chatgpt. This workflow is different from anything you've tried before. notebooklm handles research, chatgpt handles writing. Put them together and you've got a content machine. Let me show you exactly how this works. Here's the setup. notebooklm has a feature called Discover. It automatically pulls the best sources on any topic. You don't upload files, you don't manually search. You just tell it what you want. It finds articles, studies, videos, saves them to your notebook. Then it turns those sources into briefing docs, FAQs, headings, everything grounded in real data. No made up facts, just solid research. Now here's where it gets wild. You take that notebooklm briefing and feed it into chatgpt, takes over the creative side. It writes the script, it polishes the tone, it generates title variations, descriptions, tags, everything you need to rank. notebooklm handles the research and facts. ChatGPT handles the writing and optimization. Together, they're unstoppable. You get SEO content that's both accurate and engaging, and you do it in a fraction of the time. Let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to use morning routine as my example keyword because it's popular and competitive. First thing you do is open notebooklm, create a new notebook. I'm calling mine morning routine SEO brief. Then you turn on Discover. This is the magic feature. You type in a prompt like this. Find top 10 sources about best morning routine for productivity and save them to this notebook. Hit enter and watch what happens. notebooklm goes out and finds the best articles, studies, videos on that topic. It saves them all right into your notebook. You didn't have to Google anything. You didn't have to skim through pages. It did all the sourcing for you. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Now you've got your sources loaded. Next step is creating your briefing doc. This is where notebooklm shines. You go to the prompt box and type this, create a concise SEO briefing for morning routine for productivity with 5 H2 headings, 8 FAQs with short answers, and a 40-word meta description. Hit enter. notebooklm analyzes all those sources and spits out a structured brief. You've got your headings, you've got your FAQs, you've got your meta description, all grounded in the research it just pulled. This is your content blueprint. Download it or copy it. You're going to need it for the next steps. If you want our team to help you scale this even further, we're offering free SEO strategy sessions. And I mean, actually free, no catch, no pressure. We'll jump on a call with you and show you exactly how to use systems like this to grow your business. We'll look at your specific situation, your niche, your competition, and we'll map out a plan that works for you. Real strategies, real tactics, the same stuff we use with our paying clients. No pitch, no sales nonsense, just value. Because we know if we help you get results, you'll remember us. The link is in the comments and description. Now we switch over to ChatGPT. This is where the magic really happens. Take that briefing doc you just made and paste it into ChatGPT, then use this prompt. From this briefing, give 10 SEO keywords, short and long tail, and classify search intent for each. Informational, commercial, navigational. Use morning routine as primary seed. Open AICH-ATGPT, cranks through it and gives you a full keyword list with intent mapped out. You now know exactly what people are searching for and why they're searching for it. Save this list. You're building your SEO foundation. Next, you create your content outline. Still in ChatGPT, use this prompt. Make a YouTube video script outline for morning routine for productivity that targets keywords, and paste your top 3 keywords. Include clickable H1 title variants, a 0 to 10 second hook, a 10 to 40 second intro, 3 main segments, and 3 CTAs. Keep it punchy. ChatGPT builds you a full outline. Your title options, your hook, your intro, your segments, your CTAS. Everything is structured and ready to go. This is the skeleton of your video, and it's linked directly back to that notebooklm briefing, so you know it's based on real research. Now you expand it into a full script. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Write a 5-minute spoken script from this outline. Make sentences short, energetic, and use the phrase morning routine 5 times. Add pauses for editing. ChatGPT writes the whole thing. You get a voice-ready script, short sentences, high energy, keyword optimized. You could literally read this word for word on camera or feed it to an AI voice tool and you're done. No editing needed, no second guessing. It's ready to record. But we're not done yet. You need your SEO metadata still in ChatGPT. Use this prompt. Give 10 viral title variations. Use words like insane, free, game-changing. Then write a 150-word YouTube description using the primary keyword morning routine and 15 tags, comma separated. Make description short sentences with line breaks. ChatGPT pumps out 10 killer title options, a full YouTube description packed with keywords, and 15 tags you can copy paste. You've got everything you need to optimize your upload. Now let's talk visuals. You need a thumbnail, you need chapters, you need hooks for shorts. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Suggest 3 thumbnail texts, 3 to 4 words each, color idea, and 6 YouTube chapter timestamps and titles from the script. Short lines. Also create 3 one-liner hooks for shorts using morning routine. ChatGPT gives you thumbnail text options, color suggestions, chapter breakdowns with timestamps, and 3 punchy hooks you can use for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Your whole video package is done. Want to repurpose this content? Use this ChatGPT prompt. Make 5 social captions for Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Short punchy lines with line breaks between sentences derived from the script. Keep each caption 2 lines or less. Boom. You've got social media content ready to post. You just turned one video into 5 pieces of social content in 30 seconds. Here's the part most people skip: fact checking. You've got a script, you've got metadata, but you need to make sure everything is accurate. Go back to notebooklm. Use this prompt. Check these 6 claims from my script against saved sources. Mark any claim that is unsupported or needs citation. Paste in the key claims from your script. notebooklm cross-references them with the sources it pulled earlier. It flags anything that's unsupported or needs a citation. You fix those. Now your content is bulletproof. No fake facts, no liability, just solid information backed by real sources. Last step, polish. Go back to ChatGPT one more time. Use this prompt, polish this final script, shorten intro by 20%, keep energetic tone, and insert 2 CTAs. Output, final speaking script. ChatGPT tightens it up, adds your CTAs, gives you the final version ready to film. You're done. From research to finished script in under an hour. That's the power of this workflow. Let me break down why this is so powerful. notebooklm handles the hard part, finding credible sources, organizing research, creating structured briefs. It's built for accuracy. ChatGPT handles the creative part, writing engaging copy, generating variations, optimizing for SEO. It's built for output. When you use them together, you get the best of both worlds. Accurate research meets engaging content, and you do it faster than any other method out there. If you want our team to help you scale this even further, we're offering free SEO strategy sessions. And I mean actually free, no catch, no pressure. We'll jump on a call with you and show you exactly how to use systems like this to grow your business. We'll look at your specific situation, your niche, your competition, and we'll map out a plan that works for you. Real strategies, real tactics, the same stuff we use with our paying clients. No pitch, no sales nonsense, just value. Because we know if we help you get results, you'll remember us. The link is in the comments and description. If you want to go deeper, join SEO Elite Circle. Rank number 1, get more customers, make money with AI SEO, and steal the exact systems we're using to scale past 8 figures. The link is in the description. Let's go build something. That's it for today. See you in the next one.